What's up, guys?
Hello.
We're here at the Gospel Union of Dallas, helping out the community.
Volunteering.
This is our second year,
Yeah.
and we're happy to be here.
Awesome.
We're serving the community, families that are in need of school supplies.
Giving back to the community, helping out the kids get to school.
Let's go.
We're volunteering here at the community.
We're at.
Gospel Union.
We're here for the Union Gospel to give out school supplies, haircuts, things like that.
Today we're actually helping people out, kids from all over the DFW area. We're helping with school supplies. Today we've got the 6th and 7th graders and all of their stuff here. As they come through, we already have the names of them. So when they come up, we check them off, make sure they get what they have so they're ready for school and some success, you know what I mean? It's kind of personal to me because I come from the 9th Ward in New Orleans, which was a really poor neighborhood, so any chance we get to come out and help out with this kind of thing, it's huge for me, man.
Well, right now we're doing some a back to school drive. We're giving back to the community. Well, I've been a part of it doing this for the past 3.5 years, but MSI's been doing it for years. I'd say at least about 8 or 9 years. So we've got partnerships with minis, with this location, other locations throughout Dallas County and the Collin County area.
Campus. This is obviously our Women and Children's campus, and then over at Irving Boulevard is our men's facility. 30,000 square feet, 60,000 square feet for our men. Houses here, we can house up to 125 folks, about, give or take, and right now we're not at capacity. We're probably at about 80% of that. But it's such a blessing to be here on campus because of partnerships that we have with groups that come in and help us, and so we thank you, couldn't thank you enough, because this is so great to, of course, to have folks like you come in and help. Now we're just so honored and blessed to have on our campus a state licensed daycare facility. So to volunteer back there, typically we have volunteers that may come in, but workers that work here all have to be certified as, whatever the daycare workers do in the state of Texas. But it's all just a, very strict and rigid program that they have to follow in order to, stay with that whole program. Yeah, known as the Crystal Child Development Center, or CDC, sometimes we call it, just for Child Development Center. Everything that you will see today has been donated, and of course the service here at the child care facility is all no charge to the ladies. Such a blessing to to have this service that we can offer, and they don't have to worry about cost. But we know that it's a quality service. It's not just something that's thrown together, but we really want all these ladies to feel confident that they are getting help. And we have a saying here at Union Gospel Mission: it's not about giving a handout, but a hand up, because we do believe that people just hit hard times, and we've seen it all, we hear it all, but it's just a blessing to be in an area or in a position that you can help others. So, okay, right this way. Oh, sorry. Bring a little chat there. We're going to take a look at our Hope Cafe next. So this is where all the magic happens. We have we serve 3 meals a day plus snacks here at the Hope Cafe, as we call it. Got a full kitchen there in the back with all the services and amenities that are needed. This is Chef Chris.
Hi, how y'all doing today? Would y'all like to have a tour of the backyard?
Yeah,
let's do it.
I think we got a little bit here.
It's our little kitchen area. Over there we have our sink area. Starting from the left, our soapy water. The middle, rinsing water. And then on the very last thing is our sanitizing water.
Awesome.
Our stoves, ovens, and what we keep our food and salads. We always maintain everybody getting fresh fruit, rolls, our plasticware, a drink, all of our condiments. This is our walk-in refrigerator, and also our little dry area where we keep our fruit, potatoes, and vegetables, along with snacks and bread. Back here is our dry storage. We normally keep our foam containers with like plates, to-go bowls, is our dry storage area. This is where we keep our canned goods, coffee, from juice to plasticware. We usually have plasticware done every day. That way, everybody has something to eat with. We also keep a couple of our other supplies, just in case it's needed for either here or out there. So,
Yeah. So this is our chapel. You know, the city and, you know, the metroplex that come, and, you know, so we have pastors and, you know, deacons and Bible study teachers and women's groups that come and serve here, and they come and, yeah, host the chapel each night, and yeah, it's just a blessing indeed. But just so you can get your bearings, this is kind of like the front of the building, like when you first came in. So we're facing the street there, Cass Street. So I always just feel this special, you know, I know it's God's Spirit, but just, you know, this whole building to me. And of course, I'm a newer person on staff here, going on 3 years though. And of course, COVID was a blur, but I started right before COVID hit, and oh my gosh, you're talking about, what is it, drinking out of a fire hydrant thing. You just came in, you just like, oh my gosh, you know, what do I get to do? Came from corporate America though, and just had never worked in ministry full time, but yeah, this has just been a blessing. So I do get a little excited. Because I just love what God is doing here. I love that He sends us people like yourselves, and you know, there's so much negativity, you know, in the world. There's so much that we, you know, see and hear. I don't even want to talk about it, but it's just always so good to see that glimmer of light. You talked about Miss Christie. Did she come through being our sunshine?
Yeah,
but it's just like a ray of sunshine. You know, there's a lady here that's with Covenant Church, Miss Christie. Y'all probably have seen her. Got the little pretty glasses and the hair. But she is just such a, I just love her. But I just wanted to use her as an example, because that's just how I think about, you know, about this place. That just lots of good things going on here, and you're a part of it, I promise. So this is actually referred to as Living Area 1, just another living facility. But you'll notice, again, the rooms. I always think about college and dorm rooms, but each room will house up to 6 people. I may be off a little bit, but it's bunk beds, and each room has its own bath or shower, I should say, and closet and storage space. So it's such an honor to have each family that they're able to live in their own. Yeah. Just peek inside so you can just see how those rooms are set up. Yeah, you can just kind of take a peek in just to see how it's all set up. I really wanted you to see that.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it's awesome.
The wide ceilings, the high ceilings.
She said like college. This looks like college dorm room.
It really does.
We always have volunteers to come in, hand. So if you did, you know, want to come in and teach a class, okay.
I teach credit all over for Oval Cosmetology, for Keller Williams, for Century 21, all over the city, all over the state. So I'm more than willing to come in and teach a class. I've been trying to get somebody over here to help. I tried for like half last year after we left. So y'all, you tell me when I'm here.
I'm gonna get your number today. In my phone, y'all. I got about 20 witnesses. Okay, what's your number? Yes, we have group come in, and of course we also do like grants. You know, we look for grants and opportunities like that to, you know, to assist us with capital projects and, you know, larger dollar items. But yeah, it's just been a blessing. Miss Rachel, that's actually her desk where she sits every day. So.
And so, you guys teach classes here?
We can do classes in here. You know, sort of a resume writing, what to look for, how to put one together, if need be. Even over at our men's facility, which it's double this size, and so we have more men we really have more men than women. Our service really caters to about 80% more, 80 plus 20. You know, that's our ratio between men and women. But there's a great need over there as well. So yeah, we need to just talk and see how we can make some things happen. I love it. I love it. This is great.